Hi, my name is Akshay Kaushik. I am a Delhi-based practicing lawyer. It's about 2 a.m. midnight, and I was not able to sleep, so I thought of making a small video in which I would like to share that why is it important to understand for you, the young lawyers, precisely to understand that advocacy is not only about setting a kind of amount, professional fees for the clients, like under which you will not be able to work for them. According to me, advocacy is all about the taking care of the cases, the satisfaction of the clients, the person who comes to you, be it a person who is a rich client, be it a person who is not so rich, not so affluent in position, and be it a client who just comes to you for a free consultation. It's all about this. And why I am telling you this, why I'm trying to convey this message to you, because recently I have come across with number of messages on my LinkedIn profile where the young lawyers have been asking me that, sir, how much professional fees we should charge from the clients, and don't you think that there is a minimum professional fee or consultation fee should be charged from the clients, which means that if the client will not be able to pay such and such amount to the lawyer, he will not take up the case. Let me tell you, for the young lawyers, to be very honest, advice I want to give to you, that do not, at the initial stage of practice, do not try to set a limit, a foundation for yourself, that if a person is coming to you for a consultation, you should charge that much amount from him, and you will not take the cases which includes a low, or you can say minimum standards. For example, if a person comes to you for superdhari, a person comes to you for court marriage, you cannot deny a person, because if you deny that person that I cannot take cases regarding court marriages and the other small cases, he will not come back to you, and he will not give you a reference to other persons, the other clients, because of which in future, for the future perspective, you will lose your clientage. This mistake I did when I was in initial days of my practice of law, and I used to deal with the clients who were affluent in position. For example, if a client is able to give me money, then only I can take up their case, otherwise not. And that was the biggest mistake I did in my past, and I do not regret it, but still now I feel that that was not a professional behavior of mine, and I should not have done that. According to me, that is my perception. So this is my personal advice, basically, that any person comes to you, be open to that person for giving any kind of advice he is looking for, because when you give a consultation or advice to the client who is in need of some kind of consultation, and if he gets that consultation from you, he will remember you for sure, and in future he will definitely call you back, maybe for a small case or maybe for a big case, but he will definitely recommend you to the other persons as well. And that's how you build your clientage. And if you deny, and if you start denying the persons that no, I do not take cases regarding the small matters, I only take cases related to big, you can say, which involves a big dispute, for example a property case related to 1 crore or 2 crores, advocacy is not about this. It is something different. It gives you a kind of pleasure to talk to a person who is in need of a lawyer, who wants to consult a lawyer, who wants a kind of legal assistance, a kind of help, and you have been authorized to give him that legal assistance. Still, if you want to charge something, you can charge a nominal amount from that person. Like, I will not be able to quote any sort of amount, but you can charge a reasonable sum from him or her, any kind of, even the corporate. But do not deny a person.